Hi, I'm Scott McClintock, former prosecutor, Henderson County State's Attorney, and founder of McClintock Law, a criminal defense firm located in Monmouth, Illinois. If you're arrested for DUI, that starts the process of the statutory summary suspension. It's a mandatory 6 months. If you take the test and blow over the .08, it's a mandatory 1 year suspension if you refuse to take the chemical test as requested. Now, there are certain ways to challenge this suspension, such as a petition to rescind the statutory summary suspension, for example, if there's no probable cause that you were being pulled over in the first place. There are a few other avenues that we can tackle this suspension, but for the most part, it's a mandatory suspension. And in some cases, you are eligible for a breath alcohol interlock device to be installed in your vehicle, at which point you would be allowed to drive anywhere at any time as long as you had not consumed alcohol. Yes, a DUI conviction stays on your record forever. It also results in a license revocation, which is different than a suspension. A suspension has a permanent end date. A revocation just means you don't have the ability or the authority to drive until such time as the state of Illinois decides to reinstate your license. Receiving a DUI, even charge, may impact your employment, depending obviously on your employer. There are a number of collateral consequences with merely being charged for the offense of DUI, such as license suspension. You may not be able to travel to certain countries. The biggest issue for most people is the license suspension. And if you're qualified as a first-time offender, it's 6 months. If you blow over, it's a license suspension of 1 year for a refusal to take the test. The DUI would absolutely affect your insurance. If it's a conviction on your record, then you can expect your insurance to go through the roof.